Okay, so we put a liter of water in that was quite warm so that it was lukewarm once it cooled in the bowl. Dissolved 3 teaspoons of sugar, and we've let this rise for 15 minutes. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. And an egg. Whoop. Okay, now the question of how much flour is a good one, I have no idea. I just add until I'm there, so I always make sure I have a lot. But we'll start by making this as thick as possible. I know the camera angle isn't going to capture that. So bear with me, and we'll get to the point where I'm kneading it. Now this is a bread bowl, and it's set up so that you can actually knead right inside of it once you've stirred in enough flour to make it less of a soup and more of a paste. Now I could probably improve on this recipe if I used some specialty flour, but even no-name brand all-purpose flour turns out a good simple bread. You can see how that's thickening up really nicely. Now this part is pretty challenging to stir. It's still a little sticky to knead. We do our best, but in the end, it's elbow grease. So you can pre-clean off a lot of this by just adding some flour to it, and it makes it less sticky, and that makes your cleanup a lot easier. Okay, so it might seem simple. Kneading is basically just turning the bread in on itself over and over. Turn and fold. Like that. Hopefully I'm getting this in the camera. The more you knead the flour in, the more it exposes the sticky parts that are left. And pick up more flour. You can see my hand has lots of flour stuck on it, and that's okay. It'll come off, and then I'll just use a little flour afterwards. I can even clean up some of the mess on the table in a minute when I pull this out of the bowl. There will be some waste, and that's okay. Great thing about this is it's putting in physical energy more than a lot of money. Okay, so now the bowl, you clean that out, and we'll let the bread rise in it when it comes time for that. Part you can see doesn't take that long before it becomes a good lump. I'm cleaning up my counter. Again, I'm not sure how good my angle is. It'll feel like it's not sticky anymore. You want to knead it a little bit more, and you'll find when it really is ready, that lack of sticky will stay. Right now, I can feel the flour being taken up into the dough and getting sticky again. So as I'm kneading, I'm basically peeling apart and opening up this dough, and it's the sticky stuff on the inside. It's being revealed. It's grabbing up the flour. If you want an upper body workout, this is another good way to do it. But you get a lot of carbs as your reward. There we go. Just like that. Let it rise for 45 minutes, and then put it in pans, as I like to put it in as lumps, like big buns. Let it rise again for 45 minutes when it's in the loaves, in the container, and then cook for 40 to 45 minutes at 365. And that's pretty much it. Bread.